The freaking jungle never gets old. The jungle, so freaking powerful. There's a reason why there's so much freaking growing in here, and why these trees are massive. Animals all over the place. Why it makes human beings feel good. So quick little hitter from the jungle. There's a freaking massive bird right there. I actually saw a toucan right there one day. That's pretty cool. But one thing I have realized here, how freaking powerful the jungle is. Because now we're really in the jungle and we can cut all the electricity off here. And one thing I have really noticed here is that how good does it feel to be naked outside all day. And the weather, this is actually a little surprising for me, because I thought before I came to Costa Rica from Finland that, oh man, it's gonna be really hot sometimes, it's gonna be like sauna sometimes, it's gonna be real humid sometimes. But actually it's perfect freaking weather all the time. Like the temperatures are perfect every single day for being naked outside all day. That's how I know human beings evolved out of tropical places. That's how I know human beings thrive. They're supposed to be in tropical places. But some of our ancestors, they were like, fuck this shit. I ain't freaking getting along with this dude, so I'm moving north. I want my own land. That's probably what happened. People just weren't getting along, like, oh man, this stepbrother of mine, this cousin of mine, he's so freaking annoying. He got all the beaches and I got none, so I need to go make my own life better up in the north, and I sacrifice with a little worse environment. Oh, I can build, I can have my own land, I can have my own animals. Oh, there's a duck. This is the owner's duck. What's up, buddy? Hello. I kinda got scared when he just came here rolling around. He kinda surprised me. What's up, buddy? Come on here. Come on here. Let's go meet our buddy. Come on, duck. We got buddies all over the place. And the dogs. Guess what? Why the dog is here? Because, come on, buddy. The dog is here because I threw some meat in the jungle there, and he could smell it. Because, like I said in one of my previous videos, the owners of this Airbnb, they kinda, some of those, namaste, meat is murder, don't eat another life, except plants are okay, and killing mosquitoes are okay. The only con pretty much to this place, the two biggest cons of this place are no direct sunlight, but that's not that big of a deal for me, because actually you can get some sunlight there, but not in the freaking deck over here. And the second one is there's some mosquitoes, but the mosquitoes don't really attack me. If you know, you know, because I'm not leaking light, I'm coherent. My freaking UPEs are coherent. My life force is flowing because of this jungle like it's supposed to be. And I'm not leaking my light. So the mosquitoes, they don't find me that interesting. There's a couple mosquitoes, but they don't really bite me and they don't really attack me. I haven't had any itchy mosquito bites over here. But this place has most amount of mosquitoes that I see. But anyway, like I said, the couple who owns this place, if they're the vegetarian type, maybe they don't even feed their dog meat. And then I threw a couple old bits of meat in the jungle, and today the dog came here like, what's up? That's how you make good friends with these dogs. And then he actually went to the jungle and get the meat. So I'm doing very good things to the wildlife over here. Actually, the dog is not wild. It's domesticated. But I'm making it a bit more wild. Like I'm getting bit more wild, being naked outside all here. That's why I love this place, because of the privacy. You can be naked in the jungle. And like I said, it feels so good to be naked outside. And the temperature is just perfect all the freaking time. I'm never too hot and I'm never too cold. During the day it's perfect, and during the night it gets cooler, which is perfect for sleeping. It makes your sleep so much better. Now some places obviously in the tropics can get very hot during the night, and that can make the sleep kinda suck ass. But this place and all of the places I have been have not been like that. Maybe my body just adapt very well because I'm outside, adapting to the freaking environment and not spending time inside. Because that's why I think some people have like problems with the tropics, is because their body is so domesticated, not wild, not natural human being, that their body is so messed up compared to the natural rhythms, and then their bodies cannot adapt very fast to the natural environment. But my body, it's been freaking perfect and it feels so good. And we definitely, like, this is like the Garden of Eden for me. And the Garden of Eden definitely was in the tropics. Definitely. And we definitely thrive in the tropics. Like, I was pretty clear about that before I even started this, but now experiencing it on my own, it's crystal clear. It feels so good. And it's just so powerful. Damn, dude. The only cons are some of the mosquitoes, but the more healthy basically you are, the more coherent you are flowing inside of you, the less the mosquitoes attack you, and less when they attack it bothers you. You don't basically get any bites. Like, for example, how does the tribal people in Africa, they don't get malaria, and they sleep on the freaking ground without any beds, without any shelters even. They just sleep on the ground, raining or sun shining or whatever. They just sleep on the ground, naked basically. Maybe some shorts on or whatever, basically naked. All the tribal people do that across the freaking tropics. And none of those guys get malaria or some of these other tropical diseases, tropical parasites. They don't get that. They're just happy, naked, outside all day, with their homeboys and with their ladies. That's why they probably don't start building some incredible structures, although some of these places have those. They just live in the hut. They just live outside because that's all they need. That's all human beings need in this kind of place. Like, no, if you have community, you have your family and your extended family, your bros and your lady or ladies. You don't miss nothing, and you have some good food. You don't miss nothing here. You just feel so good being in the nature. Anyway, that's what my scientific research has noticed thus far, but the science must continue, so we need to spend more time in this pristine tropical environment. God damn, it's nice. And so powerful. This is what life force maxing is all about. Vitality. Energy.